Hi everyone, let's see what are the messages for you to like and subscribe to my channel. We have the full card, new beginning, new start, giving the relationship a new start. You both were having fights. If there were no contact, you both are finding ways to contact each other. It's not even that one of you is betraying the other person. Both of you are loyal to each other. Both of you love to be with each other, but there were fights, there were ups and downs in the relationship. Three of wands. See, the future was in question. You both did not know whether this relationship will work or no, but suddenly you both are finding solutions to work out this relationship, finding ways to communicate, finding ways to understand each other. It's like moving to chaos to calmness. Three is important as a number. See the sun card, new beginning, giving your relationship a new start, a restart. It's like a new day with a new, what you say, a new way of living the relationship. 19 is important as a number. 1920. Red scarf, something to do with the red scarf. You both are beautifully getting ready for each other. It's like the relationship had become boring. It had no one was putting in efforts. You both were getting angry on each other, but things are moving to a new direction. Knight of wands. See, passionately loving each other, now finding ways. It's like when you first met, finding ways, or rebuilding the relationship how it was at the very start. Strength. See, now you both are strongly taking a stand for each other. Something to do with fearless activities, adventurous activities. Maybe you're going to travel together. Eight is important as a number. See, king of pentacles, stability coming in this relationship, value, respect. Whatever was missing is coming back in the relationship. 8 days are really important. Next 8 days, it is going to be a slow process, understanding each other, rebuilding the relationship, bringing that spark in the relationship. But yes,